Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we have three forces that are acting on an object that is supposed to move with constant velocity. So remember that constant velocity means zero acceleration. With that in mind, we proceed to apply Newton's second law. So let me choose my reference frame as being this one. Everything that is pointing up on the y direction is positive, and everything that is pointing right on the x direction is positive too. Then we apply Newton's second law on each of those directions. On the y direction, we have the following. The net force on that direction must be equal to zero because the acceleration is equal to zero. Now, what is the net force in the y direction? Well, there are two forces. This 80 Newton's force and a portion of this force F. And that portion of the force F is this one. It is the y component of that force. And then we also have the x component. But for the vertical direction, we have 80 newtons minus the vertical component of the force F, and this is equal to 0. So F component y is equals to 80 newtons. Now we proceed to calculate the next component, the x component of that force F. For that, we have to apply Newton's second law on the x direction. On that direction, Newton's second law tells us that the net force is equal to 0 too, because the object is moving with constant velocity. Then, in that direction, we have two forces, F component x and this 60 Newton force. So this is equal to 0. Therefore, F component x is equal to 60 newtons. This already allows us to calculate what is the magnitude of the force F. So note that this is a rectangle triangle. Then it's true that F squared is equal to Fx squared plus Fy squared. Then F is equal to the square root of 60 squared plus 80 squared. And this gives us a magnitude of 100 newtons. So this is the magnitude of the force F. Now we have to determine what is the direction of that force. Let us call this angle here theta. Then, again, using the rectangle triangle, it's true that the tangent of theta is equal to F component x divided by F component y. Therefore, the tangent of theta is equal to 60 divided by 80, which can be simplified to 3 divided by 4. Then theta is equal to the inverse tangent of 3 divided by 4. And this is approximately 36.9 degrees. Then this other angle right here is equal to 90 minus 36.9, which is equal to 53.1 degrees. Then this is 53.1 degrees. Therefore, the direction is 53.1 degrees south of east, or 36.9 degrees east of south.